Alright, so today we're going to unbox a Tamagotchi. Yes, you might remember these from years ago. This was not sent to me by Tamagotchi. This was bought ourselves. But you can see, this is the original virtual reality pet Gen 1. Tamagotchi there, nothing there, Tamagotchi there, and just manufacturing information there. And then the back, of course, tells you a little bit about it, what the 3 buttons do, the characters you can choose from, got attention, discipline, bathrooms, feed, lights, games, and sick/care. So let's open this on up. Looks like there's a little strip of tape there. And let's see what we have here. Slide it out, and well, that's it for the box. So encased in this little plastic is, oh, look at that, the very extensive instruction guide. So you'd want to read over this. It tells you how to activate it and how to use it and everything in multiple different languages. And then this is the actual Tamagotchi. So that's all that's on the back. You've got the little like key ring chain here to put it on your keys. Nice and easy to attach. And this one has some cool purple flames. I thought that looked pretty cool. And that's the 3 buttons and Tamagotchi at the top. Of course, as soon as you pull this, it activates the Tamagotchi. So that'll do it for this Tamagotchi unboxing. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.